this is Mrs. Al-Amoudi, and I will be showing you how to access your U.S. government book. Please make note that this is a different website that you are going to access in order to get to your U.S. government book than all of your other courses. So there are a couple places that you can access your textbook. First, this is the course homepage where you would go for U.S. government. In the announcements where it says Pearson textbook link, click here. If you put your mouse on the click here and use the click on the left button for your mouse, it'll open up a new web page. Okay, so this is what the web page looks like. I'm going to show you the other place where you can access the textbook. In the bottom part where it says about this section, Magruder's American Government Book, and then it says click here. This is the other place where you can access your textbook. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to log into your book. So once you have this site up, you're going to click on sign in. Okay, you're going to enter your username and password, which has been sent to you by course email. Okay. Okay, once I type in my password, I click on sign in. Now you should only see one product, and it should be this Magruder's American Government. Okay, and you have options. You're going to have the Magruder's American Government 2003 Student Edition for browser or the Student Edition for mobile. The mobile edition is for like if you have some type of like iPad or netbook. The browser is what you want to go to since you're on your school computer. And you're going to click on that. Okay, so this is your textbook. And on the left here, you'll see these folders, Unit 1, Unit 2. If you click on the arrow, it'll show you the chapters. Okay, so for example, if I click on Chapter 4, you can go to each section. If I click on Section 1, it'll take me directly to that page. To navigate through the pages, I just click on the arrows at the top. The other thing is if you know what the page numbers are, you can type in the page number and click on the enter button and it will take you directly to that page. So there are a lot of great tools that you have available to you in this textbook. One of the first things is you can view your textbook like this, or if you want to view 2 pages at one time, you can do so also. If you want to zoom out and make it smaller or zoom in, you can make it bigger. You can bookmark a page. If you click on this projector, it'll switch to a whiteboard view of your text. If you want to go back, you just switch to the browser view. Okay, so as you notice, as I was doing that, I lost my table of contents here on the side. So if I click at the top here, it'll show the navigator again. So this is just something, like I said, that you can use for yourself. A couple other things, you can make notes when you're reading. So what you do is you stick the pen down, you type in a note. Okay, and then you click on save. So you can close the window and then you see there's a pin. So if I go back to the pin, you double click on it and you see the note. Okay, another option that comes with this book is the audio option. And as you see right here where my mouse is, there is like a microphone or a speaker with some like sound things. Unfortunately, right now the audio is not working, But if you were to click on that and it was working, another window would pop up and you would be able to click on the play button and you can listen while you read. The only suggestion that I have is once that pop-up window comes up, you can't move your page. So I would get your page into the position that you want it in and then click on the audio if that's what you want to do. A couple other things, the glossary, you can click on the glossary up here. You can go by vocabulary word, and you can click on the audio if you want to see it. You can also access a Spanish, if anybody's interested, a Spanish glossary. You can also click on the glossary over here on the side, and they're in folders. It has each one an individual, and it comes as a pop-up. Okay, this is your notes manager. So if you do make any notes in your book, you can click on this. I'll show you how I did it again, maybe. Okay, so I just go down to the notes, click on it, and it'll show me where my notes are. So if I go a couple pages and I click on page 114, it'll take me directly to that note. Another nice thing is if you want to highlight while you're reading, you can do that also. You can hide the highlights, you can show the highlights. You can use the hand if you're reading, if you like to read and have something following along while you're reading, you can do that. The arrow is the same thing. Let's see here, bookmarks. I have some bookmarks. If you bookmark a certain page, it'll show you the bookmark and where you went. The other thing is you can search by topic. And it'll bring up search results of everywhere you can see or find about the Constitution. So it'll tell you where you can find things on the Constitution. You can search the entire book. You can search just in Unit 1. You can search in, a specific unit in the Skills Handbook. So these are some of the things that you can use to enhance your reading in class. And please remember, if you do have any further questions, to please contact me and I will be glad to help you out. Once you're done reading your textbook, you can click on Sign Out and you are signed out of your textbook. You might have another window open, sign out of that one also. And that is your class textbook for U.S. government.